Okay, standard form to slope-intercept form. Just like we said, y equals mx plus b. Remember this. 2 steps. Move x. So we're going to subtract 11x from both sides. Right there. Now, be careful of your sign. That's minus 5y, so that means that's negative 5y is equal to, now, go ahead. You want to keep it in slope-intercept form. The x comes first. It's minus 20 because it's negative 20. So you have negative 5y is equal to negative 11x minus 20. Last step, divide by the coefficient of y. What's the coefficient of y? Negative 5. So you divide everything by negative 5. So it's y equals. Now, you can hit your calculator. Control divide. Negative 11, down arrow, negative 5. These two are positive. These two are negative. So negative divided by negative is a positive. So in your calculator, you get 11/5 x. Negative 20 divided by negative 5 is plus 4. There's your answer. We'll talk about the slope later. Writing the slope is in the y-intercept is easy. Okay. What are we going to do here first, you hear? What do we do first?
Subtract 11 both sides.
Just 11? 11 what?
X.
Yes. You're going to subtract 11x from both sides. Now, so we have y equals, these are not like terms. You can't combine them. So it would be negative 11x minus 8. Had one young lady who would forget to bring this down 2 with it. Now, are we in slope-intercept form? Yeah. It's already in slope-intercept form. There's your answer. Some of them, all you got to do is one step. You don't have to do anything else after that. All right. Try number 3. Well, okay. You should have subtracted 2x from both sides. So you have 3y is equal to negative 2x plus 24. Don't forget that. This is positive. Can we get that far? Now, the last thing, divide everything by the coefficient of y, which is 3. So we divide everything by 3. So it's y equals negative 2 over 3, doesn't reduce, so it's negative 2/3 x. Don't forget the variable. 24 divided by 3 is 8. There we go. Where the slope is negative 2/3 and the y-intercept's at 0.8. All right. Now, number 4, my favorite type. Play with that one for a second. Is this all coming back to you? Okay. All right. First thing you should have done is subtract x. from both sides. Okay? So be careful here. You've got minus 2y, so that is negative 2y is equal to negative x minus 6. Because that's negative 6, it's going to be minus 6. Now, divide everything by the coefficient of y, which is negative 2. Okay? Now, you know you're going to have y equals. This is the coefficient's negative 1. So you have negative 1 over negative 2. Negative over negative makes that a positive, 1/2 x. Then negative 6 divided by negative 2 is positive 3. How many of y'all got that? Raise your hand. Okay. Slope's 1/2. Y-intercept's at 0, 3. Try number 5. There it is. Try number 5. Okay. Be careful. There's a lot of 1s here. Subtract x from both sides. So that's negative y is equal to negative x plus 7. 7 is positive. Then divide everything by negative 1. The coefficient's negative 1. Y cannot be negative. So, oops. So I divide everything by negative 1. So that's y equals, that's negative 1 divided by negative 1. And that's just 1. And we don't have to write it in front. Y equals x. 7 divided by negative 1 is minus 7. So your slope would be 1, and your y-intercept would be 0, negative 7. That would be your answer there.